Most people reach the same moment. They've worked consistently, they've been careful, they've followed the rules, yet progress feels delayed, not collapsed, just postponed. This creates a subtle doubt that maybe the issue is effort, but before you correct yourself again, pause here. What if the delay isn't resistance, but direction? Financial systems don't only move money, they assign roles. Some people are positioned near opportunity, others near obligation. When conditions shift, those close to opportunity gain options. Those close to obligation absorb stress. This isn't about talent or discipline, it's about placement. If life feels heavy despite consistency, it may be because you're carrying weight, not falling behind. Look at the pattern over time. Income adjusts slowly, costs adjust first, assets move ahead of both. This sequence repeats quietly. Productivity rises, rewards concentrate, dependence expands. Most people aren't pushed backward, they're repositioned sideways, closer to necessity, further from leverage. If your effort feels constant but outcomes feel distant, the map may have changed. The most effective systems don't apply force, they apply familiarity. When pressure is constant, people stop naming it. Higher expenses become expected, lower margins feel reasonable, stability gets redefined as managing. Over time, structural tension starts to feel personal, and once that happens, the questions shift inward. That's when people work harder instead of looking wider. Every system protects itself with reassurance. Stay patient. Keep going. It pays off eventually. These phrases aren't false, they're incomplete. They turn structure into story, and story into self-correction. So when progress slows, people optimize routines, not positions. They adjust habits while the framework stays untouched. If you've ever felt stuck in self-improvement mode, this is where that loop begins. No one announces a shift, it happens quietly. Savings get replaced by credit, ownership by access, surplus by subscriptions. Life continues, income arrives, participation remains. But the distance between effort and control grows. By the time it's felt clearly, the position is already set, and most people mistake that feeling for personal limitation. Not everyone can move upward at once, because systems don't only reward effort, they reward location. Some positions generate flexibility, others consume it. This doesn't mean movement is impossible, it means awareness comes first. If you don't recognize where you're standing, every step feels exhausting. That's why noticing position matters more than speed. The most important shift isn't financial, it's perceptual. Once you see positioning, you stop chasing surface fixes. You stop waiting for relief. You stop blaming timing. You stop assuming effort alone will close the gap. Instead, different questions emerge. Where does flexibility come from? What creates optionality over time? What reduces dependence quietly? Those questions don't offer comfort. They offer direction. This isn't about blaming systems. And it's not about rejecting them, it's about seeing clearly. Because once you understand that falling behind can be structural, not personal, the pressure changes shape, shame fades, clarity takes its place. And instead of asking, what am I doing wrong, you begin asking, what position am I being prepared for? That question doesn't end the journey, it finally starts it on purpose.